How Gary made $78.8 million sending emails and how you can do the same.
What?
Not that much, but at least have the most profitable year for your business. 3 May 1978, Gary Thurk, a marketing manager sitting in the office of Digital Equipment Corporation, was planning the next marketing move for the company. Then he had a big, horrible, yet extremely profitable idea. He wanted to tell people about the open houses in Los Angeles and San Mateo where the company's newest computers would be shown. He thought it takes too much work to send emails, so he decided he'll send one email to everyone. He took email marketing as a way to promote his company's computers. You might think, where did he get the emails? At that time, all ARPANET users were listed in a printed paper directory. ARPANET was like Google. There was a list of 2,600 users. So Gary went through it and highlighted the names of people who could be reached by email. As he only wanted to target people on the West Coast, he sent an email blast to 397 people. And that single click to send led to a whooping $13 million in sales. Taking inflation into account, today that is about the same as $78.8 million. But that was in 1978 and we are in 2023. Things changed a lot in 45 years. From technology to human brain to legal rules, all have been evolved since then.
Things change.
So how to do email marketing in 2023? What are some hacks and tricks you can use to get ahead of everyone else? What are the biggest mistakes marketers do when doing email marketing? Durable setup. It's important to know that a lot of your success with email marketing depends on the email marketing software you choose, because it's their job to make sure that your emails actually get sent. If you aren't careful, you'll end up paying a lot more money for a fewer marketing features and bad email deliverability rates, which will cost you even more money. With the help of a provider, your business can use email marketing automation to send messages to large group of subscribers or contacts. You'll also have access to tools that will help you grow and manage your email list, as well as tracking tools that will show you who is opening your campaigns and messages. Here are some email marketing services you can use: Klaviyo, ConvertKit, HubSpot, MailChimp. Irresistible email opt-ins. Opt-in is where a person agrees to get emails from a company. It can be for a newsletter, discounts, or other benefits. To make your email opt-in almost irresistible, to get people attracted to type their best email and have them desperately waiting for the emails from you, follow these 3 opt-in tips. First tip, providing freebies. But not like usual companies. You're going to give them what they actually need, something they can't say no, and that motivates them to take action of becoming an email subscriber. Here's how you can do that. See what they came for. For example, if you are a blogger, let's say your viewers landed on an article, How to Get a Girlfriend. If your freebie is 10 simple things girls love about guys, they are more likely want to know those 10 things instead of something more general like 10 ways to live a happy life. Same thing can be applied if you have an e-commerce store. If the person came to buy a coffee machine, you can give them 10 tips to make the best coffee of your life. Now what if you have hundreds of articles or thousands of products? In this case, you can categorize the articles. For example, people who want to date will search for how to get a girlfriend or how to attract a girl. You can put those articles in a same category where you'll offer freebies helpful for guys who want to date. Now you can decide. The more narrow your categories will be, the more relevant freebies you can offer and the more opt-in rates you'll have. On the other hand, the more broad your categories will be, less people will be interested in the freebies and you'll get less opt-in rates. Before we move to our second amazing tip, Zeigarnik Effect, if you want to become unbeatable and outsmart your competitors in every way you move, you need to tell YouTube that you are interested in informative videos like this. And you don't want to see time-wasting, energy-consuming content that pushes you into a rabbit hole that makes the situation worse and you come out disappointed and feel the guilt of wasting time and not being productive. By giving the like and subscribe, you'll be updated with the latest tips, tricks, and hacks that will help you achieve the satisfying levels of success. Second tip, Zeigarnik Effect. Most people, even the professionals, immediately show the form fields, but it can be much more effective if you use this one simple neuroscientific tip. Zeigarnik Effect. The Zeigarnik Effect is the tendency to keep thinking about an unfinished task that you once tried to reach. The automatic system that tells the conscious mind, which may be thinking about a new task, that a previous task is still unfinished. Here's how you can use this to get more opt-ins. Let the users start the process before the form fields appear, because users are much more likely to finish a task if they have already started it. A two-step opt-in form, which looks like this, uses the Zeigarnik Effect by asking the user if they are interested in the offer before letting them enter their email address. And the third tip is increasing the perceived value. Effort paradox. Effort paradox says that effort adds value to the products of effort, but effort itself has value. In simple words, people will value things more if they earn it or win it. Here's how you can apply it into your opt-ins. Instead of giving your freebies for free, you can trade it for an effort, which will in return increase the perceived value of your freebies and newsletter. These efforts can be like spin the wheel, quiz, puzzle, which will give a sense of winning, and the person will subscribe the newsletter in order to claim their gifts. This is how an opt-in looks following all these steps. First step, providing a freebie. Second, Zeigarnik Effect. Third, increasing perceived value through effort paradox. And here are some more tips to follow. Write good titles and don't add too much text. Add exit intent choices so when the person plans to leave, they get a pop-up. Use a good design, color, and have an interactive button with an arrow pointing to it. Now you have an irresistible opt-in. Now let's successfully not only get into their inbox, but also their mind. Here's how you can design and structure your email. Creating your brand's beautiful template. Even if you aren't a designer, you can send professional emails that look good on any devices and are beautifully designed. Look for a template with a layout that is clean, easy to read, and gets your point across fast. People scroll through their inbox quickly and often while they are on the go. Choose a responsive email template that looks good on any devices, including phones and tablets. Next, add your brand to your template by putting your business's logo at the top of your email and linking the image to your homepage of your website. Add the signature colors of your business and make an email footer with the name of your business, your contact information, and links to your active social media channels. Once you have set up these important design elements, make a copy of your email and save one version as your master template. With this template, you don't have to start from scratch every time and add your logo and other elements. Use inverted pyramid model. The inverted pyramid method has only 3 parts. It is the framework for an email that gets a lot of click-throughs. Each of these parts is meant to grab and keep the reader's attention and encourage them to move on. It helps them create a flow, kind of like a funnel, that grabs the reader's attention and leads them to the bottom of the email and the call to action. This is how it works. The headline is what draws people in and tells them what they can expect. It's meant to make people want to read more. The next layer builds excitement and backs up the value proposition or promise with details. This is your chance to make people interested in what you have to offer and how you'll give it to them. The call to action is the last layer. This is where you make the deal official. If the first 2 layers are good, readers should be more than ready to click and convert by the time they get to the CTA. Here are some other ingredients of a high converting emails. Countdown timers, as it creates a sense of urgency and gives the feeling that the time is running out. UGC, user generated content. It's a way of conveying that other people just like them are using the product and they are loving it. Raises credibility levels and builds social proof. Use authority factors like as seen on, featured on, etc. Discount codes. Providing discount codes is an excellent way to encourage customers to take action and try new products or services. Here's a tip for discount codes. Instead of using something common like New Year 20, Christmas 10, use something random like XDZB12. Now this will make the discount code look more exclusive and a one-time deal. Providing a guarantee. If your product or service does live up to its claims, then providing a guarantee will be very profitable move, increasing the conversion rates. Comment down if this video was helpful and do not forget to check the description for giveaway.